My name is Mark Millhollin. I'm the Supplier Business Manager at RFMW, responsible for the Qorvo products. And with me today is Diwakar Vishakhadatta, who is the General Manager of the Defense and Aerospace products at Qorvo. And he's going to talk about a new product today.
Thanks, Mark. Very happy to be here. I think at Qorvo, I wanted to let people know we service RF products across the globe. My particular business unit works on defense, aerospace, and infrastructure RF products.
Yep.
And I'm here to talk about the defense product family today.
Yep. So what product did you select that you're going to talk to us about today?
Here at IMS this week, we are launching our QPF 5012. It's a very exciting product designed specifically for X-band radar. It is a front-end module, a FEM, for X-band radar applications used in electronic warfare, commercial, and military radar applications.
Great. And what are some of the key specs that are important to those applications?
Yeah, the X-band is a very popular radar technology today, as you well know. And the reason is because X-band runs at around 8 to 10 gigahertz, and it's a really good band for propagation and sensitivity detection characteristics. So it's becoming a very highly used band.
Diwakar, can you share with us some of the key features of this product today?
Yeah. If you're a radar designer, you care about three things. You care about size, power, and sensitivity. And what I brought here is to show you what a radar system looks like. And this would be considered, this square here would be considered a tile. And a radar panel would consist of hundreds of these tiles spread across the X and Y dimension. And what I want to point out is the size of this tile. This dimension and this dimension is critical. And that dimension is determined by the wavelength of the transmit frequency. You cannot change it. It's a fixed constraint. And you can see that all the electronics have to fit inside that box. So size is a key expectation by your customers. And having all that functionality I described earlier fit in a 7x5 package right there in the middle is a big value proposition to your customers. The second thing that they care about is power. If you imagine hundreds of these tiles, it becomes a heat dissipation problem. Or you can think about it as the more power I can transmit, the further I can detect an object. So power can be RF power or DC power. And the QPF 5012 has increased efficiency by 7%. We've gone from 35% to 42%, which is a huge step in efficiency. And now the designers can trade that off. They can choose to, for the same DC power, they can extend the range, or for the same range, they can reduce the DC power consumption. So that's a huge benefit. And if you imagine, again, hundreds of tiles, the heat extraction is a big problem, right? Especially in mobile applications. And then the third piece is sensitivity. So you can transmit a further longer range, but that signal coming back is very weak. And you have to pluck this really small signal out of the air. So the sensitivity of the receive path is a big deal. And this device has a 2.1 dB noise figure, which is excellent for this band of operation. All of that and some limiters and a TR switch all fitting in a 7x5 package. That makes the design-in job at our mutual customers so much faster and easier.
Yeah, that's great. That's a very interesting product. Thank you for showing us and telling us a little bit about it today. And I have one question for you. Where can you get more information and get samples or buy product from?
Excellent question. We're honored to be partnering with RFMW, our partners for a very long time and very successful partnership. You can sample and purchase these products at our website at rfmw.com.
Okay, thank you, Diwakar, for the information, and thank you for joining us today at our IMS.
Glad to be here. Thanks, Mark.